a sourdough bagel. So we have fermented the dough overnight. We have shaped the bagels, and they are now risen to what I want to go ahead and put them in the boiling water. So the boiling water with a tablespoon of sugar is in there, and I'm simply going to just pick these up carefully like this, and I'm going to put them and plop them in the water. And I can fit about 3 at a time. And they're going to go for 2 minutes on each side. And then I'm going to use this slotted spoon. I use it for my cheese. It just works really good. And you just simply have to flip them over. You kind of just hit one side of it, and they kind of just float and roll on over. So we're going to do 2 minutes on each side. And then we're going to put them on a cookie sheet to kind of drain so they're not just sitting in water like on a cookie pan. And then I sprinkle salt on mine on each side, and then I put them in the oven and bake them. So that's our first step we're doing. Okay, these bagels have been boiled for 2 minutes on each side, so I'm going to go ahead and remove them. Look how nice and fluffy they are. We're going to go ahead and put them on the cookie sheet to just kind of stay out of the water and dry off a little bit before we salt and bake them.